And the bath was not that.
That's bright. I can't even see.
Oh my god.
Oh, there it is. That's the city. Oh, this view, boo. You really want to go? You don't want to... Hey, there's Sneaky Pete's. I found it. It is still there.
I found the elevator.
Fine, boo. Fine. What was your favorite part of the last 16 hours? Hi there.
But it's coming.
Oh no. Can I have a hug? You should say welcome home, Dada.
Dígale hi, Dada.
Can I have a hug? Oh yeah, thank you. Merrily, merrily, life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. I think I figured out what went wrong. For future reference, this lid was blocking this so the detergent couldn't even get into the dishwasher. Ta-da! This kid went to bed at like 11 a.m. before he even got any lunch. He needs a good lunch, Mama said. So hopefully this is a good lunch.
So,
Hi.
read book.
Yeah, we are reading books. But we're gonna have to go soon. Yeah, yes. More? Okay.
And they blew his whistle. They all stopped to listen to Deb except Mayor Humdinger and Harold, who were busy scooping around the nose. Mr. Porter said, "You've learned a lot in your swim lessons, Alex."
You drive me crazy. Of course. Good, you're good. Sunday night at 11 o'clock. I'm still sick and I'm still struggling to get my video editing working. I apologize. I'm so far behind again. This kind of sucks, but good night.